I'm going to cook up 2 duck breasts today. It's a very easy recipe, but I'm going to do something that some of you think I shouldn't, but I'm going to take the skin off of them. Have the skin off. I'm going to go ahead and pepper them. Salt them. On both sides. My pan's on medium heat. I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of butter. The pan's been warming up a bit. We'll let this butter melt. I'm going to add the 2 duck breasts and let these cook. It's been 2.5 minutes. I'm going to give them a flip. Let them cook 2.5 more minutes. It's been the 2.5 minutes. I'm going to transfer these to a plate. Put them in my warm oven just to keep warm while we make the sauce. For the sauce, I use 2 to 3 tablespoons of shallot, 1 clove of garlic. I'm still on medium heat here. Okay, it's been about 30 seconds. I'm going to add wine. I'm using 1/3 of a cup of port wine, or any red wine would be fine, and 3 tablespoons of balsamic vinegar. We'll let this cook, deglaze the pan, and get to about 1/4 cup, about 1/4 cup. Well, it's gotten down to about 1/4 cup. I'm going to add 2 tablespoons ketchup, a little bit of water, 1 teaspoon Worcestershire, and let this come together and boil. And this will be our sauce. Just let it cook for a minute or so, and it'll be ready. You want to take your duck and slice it, or cut it in half, either way, and add some sauce. A little bit of parsley. And here I cooked up the duck skin just for a little crunch. Put some of this on the side. Let's have a taste. With some of the sauce. That was really complex and delicious. So good. Thank you so much for watching.